Damn, man.
Figure it out. Don't mess with me. Oh, shit.
Oh, my. Armon. No.
How the fuck she get that to happen, bro? Oh, it's tugging at the... Okay, come on. We're going to have to go inside. Yeah. Yo, she done got that.
Oh, there it goes.
Yo, hey, babe, come on. You got to take that off. That filter off me, bro. What is that, bro? I'm trying to look at the camera and all that, man. I don't know what the fuck going on.
My stuff cute. Hold up. Okay, let me take it off. Hold up, y'all. Let me get right first. Oh, shit. All right, here I go.
What's the deal, gang? Yeah, we finna jump in the water real quick. Y'all want to see us real quick?
Here we go.
Here you go, Mom.
I'm scared.
What you scared of?
Oh, shit. Okay, hold up. Let me get my drink. Well, it's not like I'm gonna be able to drink it. Oh, what I need to it's this phone.
Oh, okay.
Cause this one's the better one.
Okay, come on. You've been scary all day.
Okay, we need a little thing to sit the phone. Y'all, I'm really trying. Tell them what.
Tell them don't talk about our swim shoes, bro. I don't know what's on the floor.
Let's see. Cause I'm scared that it's gonna fall on us.
That's cool.
Yeah. Okay, y'all.
Gang!
Oh shit.
You gotta go in first.
Okay, y'all.
Man, you gotta go in first.
I'm scared. Hold up. No, not me first. Okay, hold up, y'all. We gotta try to figure out how to move these flowers. Okay. Boom.
Alright. Come on, you ready?
Yeah, let me put this on.
Yo, she trying to be so scary. Like, come on, twin.
Okay, you did it?
Yeah, I did it.
Alright.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My fault, baby.
It's getting a little windy.
Alright. You ready?
That shit gonna fall.
You think so?
Yeah. They almost fell. They
Come on.
Y'all ain't gonna be able to
What
see
you mean? What? Come on. Hold on. Wait. Let me put them on. All right. Oh, shit. Babe, come on.
No, I'm scared. Okay, well, you go first and I'm
Babe,
go.
come on. Nah, don't do that. Babe, come on, man. Don't do that, bro.
Okay,
You trying to play me, bro. Come on.
All right.
Let's get in.
All right.
You gotta just get in. It's gonna be probably cold until we get in.
Okay.
See? Alright, hold on, y'all. We finna get in.
All right, hold on.
Man, come on, babe. What you need?
I'm scared.
Alright, Kyle, get in.
Okay, get in. I'm gonna come in. All right, y'all. I'm a little scared, but I'm gonna go in there. Cause one thing about a Sag, we ain't scared of shit. It's naive. Oh, look at her. He in there. Hold on.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. phone. I think it's waterproof.
Alright, come on.
Okay. But just wait, babe, you pretty tall though. Okay. Oh,
Come on, let's go in the room.
it's no.
I'm gonna step on this. Go ahead.
I think it's no service anyway.
There's no service down here. I said service.
Hey. Hold on. I'm scared. We're gonna have to leave this thing.
What are we doing?
Okay. There you go. You know what?
That ain't nothing.
This is a rope. I don't even think we're supposed to pass this rope.
Yes, we do. What you mean, twin? Come on, we gotta go underneath. You said it's waterproof. Go underneath the water with.
Oh, I don't think it's
Go
that
underneath the water
waterproof,
with.
babe. I don't think it's that waterproof.
I know. Say something. Look. No. I ain't about to go underneath the water, girl. I'm about to show them the road. Oh. Look, y'all want to see something?
Wait, how far is it? Babe!
That go our room? No, I'm about to get from underneath this man. Hey! Alright, come on, let's go underneath water, babe.
Okay. No.
It's time to go underneath.
That wasn't my plan. Underneath, Armand.
Yeah, babe. Thank you.
Me with a birthday trip.
Every time when I hit from behind, by her girl, you know I ain't lying. Yeah, she bad and she know she lit. She be in the bag like chips. Ain't no bag and she know she can get whatever she like. I'm telling me no, it's real. Tell me how you feel.
First one, we in.